Hey there, traders. It's October 11th, 2013, and welcome to TRADERSFLY TV, where I get to discuss some stock trading education. I'm Sasha Evdokov, and today we're going to talk about trading the non-popular stocks. Normally, I discuss stocks like Netflix, Apple, CMG, even Tesla, some of the big movers. Those are the stocks and companies that I like to play, and those are the ones I like to trade. The reason I like them is because they move quick, they move fast, and also because they're very popular and I know the trading vehicles. You really shouldn't hop around from one company to the other time and time again. If you're not consistent in the first month with one, don't just bounce around here and there. And I have a video about trading vehicles and sticking to your trading vehicles, so check that out on YouTube. But in either case, today we're going to talk about trading the non-popular stocks, just because I wanted to touch base with some of the other stocks that are out there. And I'm not doing any recommendations of which ones are good or bad. I'm just showing you of what thing to see on the movement or the momentum in some of these stocks right now. And the way I'm sorting these or spotting these is through the surge of volume. So that's how I'm spotting some of these, and then I'm nitpicking some out, and then I'm looking to either get in or get out, or keeping them on my watch list. Now, like I said, I don't really trade these types of stocks because they're usually not the vehicles that I'm in, but this will just give you an idea for some of the lower end or lower price value stocks. So the first one on the list is SAVE. So it's Spirit Airlines, and the reason this one got put on the list is, for example, right here, we look at this resistance line that it created over on the July 24th, 2013. And over here you can see it descended on the downward, and today it surged up on heavy volume. You can see it right here at this level. Right here we had 3.2 million shares, and obviously looking at it, the volume is what makes the stock price move higher. Now, is it going to go up or is it going to fill that gap? We don't know, but it's on our list. Okay, so that's how we create it, and we watch for a follow-through day. So moving on to the next one, I'm going to go kind of quick on these, is JOSB, Jose Bank Clothers. I don't even know what this company does per se, but a specialty retailer, apparel stores, I guess. We look at this descending trend line coming in from 523.23 or 521.2013, and we created this descending trend line. Notice the volume surge here 3 days ago, popped up. Then it cleared that trend line the second day, and then again today is a follow-through day. So as you can see, this is what happens after day on the follow-through. First day it pushed, the second day follow-through, third day it continue run. That's what you want to see from strong stocks, and that's what you want to see on the earlier stocks, SAVE, as well. You want to see that follow-through day. Moving on to the next one, STSI, and here again, descending trend line. Pattern is high volume, stock push further. It's a $2 stock. Again, I wouldn't trade it. It's not my kind of stock. Anything under 10 bucks, personally, I wouldn't recommend trading just because of the action, the volume, and the liquidity. But again, for those of you that are interested in the smaller price stocks, this is something that you could watch for. Okay, another one, OCLR. Same thing here. As you can see, this has smaller little patterns to watch. Here we have one little resistance point, popped higher. We created another resistance point, popped higher, and another resistance point. And what do you know? Popped higher. Again, the stock is only $2, so it's not going to really move too much. It's popping higher on 20 cents, but you can see the pattern that it's creating. Now, if we zoom in on the 30-minute of this one, you can see how the action and the movement happens. Okay, in here, there's the resistance. It's bouncing, hitting up against it. And what takes it higher? It's that volume. That volume right there moves it higher. And now look at it. Where is it bouncing? On that next level? Again, at the earlier previous support and resistance line. Again, we extend this across, and you can see the same concept and principle happens. Okay, so just something to be aware of. Okay, next one on the list is STNS. Nope, not that one. Take it back. That one's not on the list. HIII. Okay, here we go. Huntington Ingalls Industries. Okay, here we go again. Higher volume, 740,000 shares versus the average of about 323,000. Okay, so nearly double. And again, you can see the descending trend line right here coming through, and the stock moving higher on the previous day on higher volume. And then again on the next day, which was today, has a follow through above $70. So that's what you want to see. You want to see that follow through day. And again, yesterday was a huge move day, over 325 points, which was the second largest move in the market all year. And finally, we have rent. Now, this one didn't break out yet, but you can see what's happening. And I just wanted to show you one that's pushing up against the resistance line. You can see the volume is starting to increase. It's pushing higher, and it wants to push through. So it's something to be aware of or something to watch. Okay, so those are just some ideas for you. And again, remember that these are just some of the trading stocks that are not as popular for me in my book, but they could be popular for you. So the stocks that I trade, you don't have to trade those stocks. You could trade whatever stocks you want. I just like the faster moving stocks. I like the Apples, I like the Netflix, the Teslas, the Googles, the Facebooks. I like the stocks that move and where the volume is at. But whichever ones you pick, whether it's a Nike or a Procter & Gamble, then just use those stocks and stick to them. That way you understand how they move, how they react based on your trading style. In either case, this was a little tidbit on trading the non-popular stocks. I hope it was helpful. And, just keep doing your research based on the volume and where the volume is heading on your scanners. I'm Sasha Evdokov. Thanks for watching. And if you have questions about a specific stock or just have some general trading questions, then feel free to email me or check out my website at TRADERSFLY.com. Thanks again, and see you next time.